Hello everyone, that's just Penny, and today I wanted to share Marcy Coate Designs did a freebie in my Facebook groups, Bluebells mini kit, and it's for April, and I told her I would create with it, and I've just gotten so far behind. But anyway, here is the sew button card template from me, from That's Just Penny, and I used my template to create using Marcy Coate Designs printables. I used those and created this sew button card. This is a template that will be available soon. And I want to thank Marcy for providing the free printables that also matches That's Just Penny's April monthly kit in the monthly printables library. So check out the links below and come and check out my Facebook groups, because this is where you can get the free printable. And please go check out Marcy Coate Designs. All the links to this and to the template will be down below in the description. Bye everyone.